Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahmanand sir. In this video, I will explain you about the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, in the previous video, we have seen the same things. That is the first method. Here, we are learning about the second method. How to find out the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, here by taking the mean or an average of two numbers, by this method we can find out the rational numbers between two rational numbers. That is, for example, first question we have, that is find the natural numbers between 1 and 3. Okay, first by basic, find the natural numbers exist between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. What we have to find? Find the natural numbers exist between 1 and 3. We know that is, this is the number line. Here are the negative numbers and here the positive numbers. 1 is there and here is 3 is there, and here as well as here is 2 is there. But we have to find the natural numbers exist between 1 and 3. That is simple, that is 2. Okay, we know that is the 2. Here I will explain this by taking a mean. Isn't it? Taking a mean or an average of two numbers. Okay, concentrate here. We have the formula to find the average of two numbers, that is a plus b by 2. What is that formula? Taking a mean or an average. We can tell that mean or an average of two numbers, that is a plus b by 2. Why we are dividing by 2? Because here the two digits of numbers are there. That's why we are taking 2. If it is 3, then we have to take 3. If it is 4, we have to divide by 4. If it is 5, we have to divide by 5. But we have the question, that is rational numbers between any two rational numbers, isn't it? A is also a rational number and B is also a rational number. That's why A and B are the two digits number. That's why we are dividing by 2. Okay, let's find out what is the question here. That is find the natural numbers exist between 1 and 3. That is, see here, take A is equal to 1 as well as B is equal to 3. Isn't it? A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3. Substitute these values, that is 1 plus 3. Isn't it? A is equal to 1 is there and B is 3. Then divide by 2. Sorry. Okay. What is the answer we have? That is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 2. Then what is the answer? 2 ones are 2, 2. 2 is the answer. See here. Find the natural numbers. There is no natural numbers, only one natural number is there. Okay. Find the natural number exists between 1 and 3. That is 2. We can see here, that is between 1 and 3, there is only one natural number is there. That is 2. Okay. This is about, I have explained with the example of natural numbers. Okay. This is the taking mean process. Okay. Then let's check for rational numbers. Okay, taken one example. Find the rational numbers only. Find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Same as it is here, it is. I will write the formula of mean, taking mean, that is here. That is a plus b by 2. Okay, don't. Then find the rational numbers. Rational numbers exist between 1 and 2. We have to find the rational numbers exist between 1 and 2. By second method. What is the second method we have? Taking a mean or an average. Isn't it? Solution. Isn't it? What is the formula we have? That is a plus b by 2. And what's the value of A and B here? That is A value is 1 and B value is 2. Why, sir? We are in the question they are given that between the 1 and 2 we have to find the rational numbers. Take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Isn't it? Yeah. Then substitute these values here. 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Then A is 1, B is 2 divided by 2. Then what we will get? That is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Then I will draw here, that is number line. That is only 1 and here is 1 and here is 2. Okay? Between 1 and 2 we have to find the rational numbers. Can you tell me how many rationals exist between 1 and 2? Sir, in the previous video we have explained or we have studied about this. That is, between any natural numbers or rational numbers, there will be infinite rational numbers. There will be infinite rational numbers. See here, first rational number we have between 1 and 2, that is 3 by 2. Between exactly it is between 1 and 2, that is 3 by 2. Are you getting my point? That is, between 1 and 2 we have 3 by 2. Then continue this process. Yes. First, let's take A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3 by 2. Why we are taking A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3 by 2? Then again we have to find the rational numbers between 1 and 3 by 2. And again we have to find the rational numbers between 3 by 2 as well as 2. Because there is an existence of rational numbers. We know that between 1 and 2 we have infinite rational numbers. That's why we have to find between 1 and 3 by 2 as well as 3 by 2 and 2. Isn't it? Yeah. Then substitute A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3 by 2. Before that, we have the formula of that is A plus B by 2. Isn't it? Formula of mean that is A plus B by 2. So can we write this as 1 by 2 into A plus B? Barkobothri now, isn't it? That is 1 by 2 of A plus B. Just I have converted this to 1 by 2. That is, I have taken separated 1 by 2 as well as A plus B is here. A plus B is here. Samajh mein raha? Are you clear about this? Yes. Then I will write directly that is 1 by 2 of A plus B. Okay, simply just I have taken out of that is 1 by 2 from A plus B by 2, and as well as it is this is A plus B is here. Then put the values of A and B. What's the value of A here? 1 is there, 1 is there, plus B value is 3 by 2. Then what we have to do here? Sir, we have to take the LCM of these two. Suppose, see, I will write 1 as 1 by 1, 1 as 1 by 1. Take the LCM of these two numbers. As it is, that is 1 by 2 is here. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. And 2 cross multiply these two. That is 2 ones are 2 plus 1 threes are 3. That is taking LCM of different denominators, isn't it? We have to multiply denominator, that is 2 ones are 2, as well as we have to cross multiply this numerator to denominator. This is about the LCM. Okay. See, next step we have that is 1 by 2 as well as it is here. Then what is it is? That is 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 2 is 2. 5 by 2. Here bracket indicates what? Which sign? Whether it is positive or multiplication? Yes, that is, this bracket indicates a multiplication. Then what is the answer we have? That is 1 5s are. While multiplying, we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is 5 ones are 5 and 2 twos are 4. Are you understanding? Yes. Then 5 by 4 is the rational number between which rational numbers? That is 1 and 3 by 2. Between 1 and 3 by 2. Exactly, it is here. This is 5 by 4. Okay, this is exactly between 1 and 3 by 2. That is 5 by 4 is the another rational number we have between 1 and 3 by 2. Okay, let's check. That is another rational number we have, that is between 3 by 2 and as well as 2. Otherwise we can take that is between 1 and 5 by 4 also we can check. Otherwise we can check 5 by 4 between 5 by 4 and 3 by 2, because we have infinite rational numbers. That shows the infinite rational numbers. Let's take one more, that is as well as 1, and here I will take as it is, that is a is equal to 3 by 2. I will take a is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to 2. Why, sir? Because we are finding the rational numbers between 3 by 2 and 2. Okay, 3 by 2 and 2. Substitute the values here and take a screenshot of this. Yes. Substitute the values a and b here. As it is 1 by 2 and a value we have, that is 3 by 2. Is it? Yes. B value we have 2. Shall I write 2 as 2 by 1? Because it will helpful for taking the LCM of these two numbers. Yeah. Then as it is 1 by 2 here, then take the LCM, that is multiply denominator to denominator, that is 2 ones are 2. Then cross multiply 1 3s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4. Are you understanding? That is 2 ones are 2 is here, and cross multiply 3 ones are 3 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, then we have next step, that is as it is 1 by 2 is here, then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, that is 7 and 7 by 2. This bracket indicates the multiplication. Then we have the solution, that is 1 7 is 7 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, and 7 by 4 is the rational number which exists between 3 by 2 and 2. That is here, that is 7 by 4 is here. Okay, 7 by 4 is between 3 by 2 and 2. Okay, again we can check by, that is taking a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 5 by 4, because we have infinite rational numbers, that is between 1 as well as 5 by 4 we have many rational numbers, isn't it? Then again we can also check that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3 by 2. We have checked, that is okay, that is a is equal to 5 by 4 as well as 3 by 2, that is between 5 by 4 and 3 by 2. Again we have many rational numbers, and also we can check, that is if a is equal to 3 by 2 and check b is equal to 7 by 4. We have many rational numbers between these two rational numbers, that is 3 by 2 as well as 7 by 4. And again we can also check, that is by a is equal to 7 by 4 and b is equal to 2. Why? Because between 7 by 4 and 2 we have infinite rational numbers. That shows us, that is between any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. Inna continue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ರೀ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಾವು ಸಾಲಿ ಬಿಡೋ ತನಕ ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, finding the rational numbers between any two rational numbers, isn't it? Are you getting my point? Yes. That shows the any two rational numbers, between any two rational numbers there is the infinite rational numbers, and this is a method to by taking mean or an average of two rational numbers. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, take a screenshot. Then move to the next example we have, that is find any three rational numbers. Here he has given that find any three rational numbers. That is, find any three rational numbers between, find any three, find the, okay, find the three rational numbers. Okay, I will give you a number, that is, it will be easy for you. Three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. We have to find how many? That is only 3. We know that we have infinite rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. But we have to find any 3. Yahudru more bariri. We know that the first method for solving is easy. But by taking a second method, that is by finding out the mean of these two numbers, we have to find the rational numbers between any two, or 1 by 4 as well as 1 by 2. How we will solve? This solution is here. We have the mean formula, or taking the mean formula, that is 1 by 2 a plus b. Is it? Yes. 1 by 2 as usual, that is a value is 1 by 4 plus b value is 1 by 2. Because in the question they are given that a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 4 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this step is clear. Then move to the next step. What we have to do? That is, as it is, we have to write 1 by 2 here and take the LCM of these two. How we will take? Just see here. 4 2s are 8. Then cross multiply, that is 2 1s are 2 plus 4 1s are 4. Okay. Then we have next step, that is, I will write it here only, otherwise it consumes more space. Okay, 1 by 2 as usual, as it is 1 by 2 in equality. Then we have 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 by 8. Isn't it? 1 by 2 as it is here, and 2 plus 4 is 6 and 8 is 8. Then we have the next step, that is, see here, whether it will cancel. See, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Next step experiment. Okay, that is 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. And what we will get? 1 by 2 as it is, and we have that is 3 by 4. Still it is not completed. See here, next step we have, that is multiply. This bracket indicates the multiplication. Then we have to multiply numerator and numerator. We will get 3 1s are 3. Then we have the denominator, that is 2 into 4, that is 2 4s are 8. 3 by 8 is the one rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is, I will write it here. Suppose this is 1 by 4. Assume that this is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 2. Okay, exactly these are in same distance. Okay. 3. We have to find the 3 rational numbers now. See here, 1, 2, 3. We have to find the 3 rational numbers. First, but we have got the first rational number, that is between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, that is 3 by 8. Are you getting my point? This 3 by 8 is the first rational number between 1 by 4 as usual, 1 by 2. Okay, then again we have to find the two rational numbers. It is ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು rational numbers ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2 you will get another rational number. Okay, it is simple. Yes. Then second one we have yes. Solution is here a is equal to 1 by 4 and b is equal to 3 by 8. Why, sir? Because we are finding the rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. And exactly it is the rational numbers will be between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 only. Okay? Yeah. 1 by 2 is as it is, and we have a is equal to 1 by 4 plus b is equal to 3 by 8. See here, 1 by 2 as usual. Then I am taking the LCM. 8 4s are 32, isn't it? Then we have to multiply, cross multiply. That is 8 ones are 8 plus 4 is 12. Are you getting my point? Yes. That is 1 by 2 as usual. That is equality symbol. Don't confuse. 1 by 2 as usual. That is we have that is 8 plus 12 is 20. Then 32 as usual. The next step we have, that is 20 divided by, why? Because I am multiplying. That is 120 is a 20 and 232 sir tables 32 2 but that is 32 2 64. Isn't it? Yes. Whether 20 by 64 is the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2? Yes, but we have to solve again it is. Simplify again, that is 2 tens are 20 and 2 threes are 6 and 2 twos are 4. We have that is 10 by 32. See here, 10 by 32. And again it will be simplified. See here, 2 fives are 10 and 2 16 are 32. And we have that is 5 by 60. Okay, simplify directly write it. Directly, that is 20 by 64 20 by 64. But we have the simplification of 20 by 64 as well as 10 by 32. That will we will get that is 5 by 16. And 5 by 16 is the rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Where it will come? Exactly between here. Are you getting my point? Is it easy? Yes. Again, we have to find one more rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Elli find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ I will find out between 1 by 4 and 5 by 16. You can. Otherwise you can find out between 5 by 16 as well as 3 by 8. You can. Sir sir I will find out the rational number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. You can. But I will find out between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2 so that you will be clear about this. Yeah. Here I will take A is equal to 3 by 8 and B is equal to 1 by 2. Isn't it? Yeah. If any doubts, ask me in the comment box, please. Okay? Very good. Yes. Solution we have that is as it is 1 by 2 is here, and we have to substitute A value as well as B value. That is A is equal to 3 by 8 we have, and B is equal to 1 by 2. Because we are finding the rational number between 3 by 8 as usual and 1 by 2. Yes, I will take LCM here only. Okay, as it is 1 by 2 is here, and 8 2s are 16. Then cross multiply 2 3s are 6 plus 8 1s are 8. Okay, then again we have 1 by 2. 8 plus 6 we have 14, isn't it? It is 8 plus 6 is 14. See here, 8 plus 6 is 14 and 16 is here. One more step we have to concentrate here, that is whether these both are simplified to next step. Yes sir, simply that is 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s is 16. Isn't it? Yes, that is 1 by 2 is as usual and 7 by 8 we have that here. Yes, again we have to multiply. Why sir? Because this bracket indicates a multiplication. We have to find, that is we have to multiply numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. 1 7 is 7 and 8 to the 16 and 7 by 16 we have, and 7 by 16 is the rational number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Exactly 3 by 8 and 1 by 2, and that will comes here. Okay, in the question we have that is find any 3. Okay, find only 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 as usual 1 by 2. Okay, inna ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ inna ಜಾಸ್ತಿ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. because he asked only 3. That is 5 by 16, 3 by 8, and 7 by 16. These are the three rational numbers we have between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Take a screenshot of this. I think it is clear to you. And one more exercise problem we have, that is Excel as it is. Okay, one more example I will see here, that is find any three rational numbers between -3 and -2 we have, that is -3 and -2. I will not take more time on this. Okay. That is number line is here, -3 is here, and as well as -2. How many rational numbers we have to find? Any three. That is exactly same distance between each other. Right? We have to find A, B, C, or whatever it may be. Just I will take it. Otherwise, you will be confused. Okay? Finding the rational numbers between -3 and -2. So simply what we have to do, that is taking the average of these two numbers. That is, we have the formula 1 by 2 A plus B, isn't it? First rational number we have to find between -2 and -3. That is 1 by 2 is as usual. Take here A is equal to -3 and B is equal to -2. Okay? Yes, minus A is equal to -3 and B is equal to B is equal to -2. Sir, adhik sir in plus sada ನೀವು minus ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. See here, A plus B is there. A we have -3. Okay, plus is there, and B we have -2. Okay, it is clear. Then -3 is -3 and plus into minus is minus. Is it clear? I have written here directly. Don't be confused. Okay, that is A plus B is here. A is equal to -3 and B is equal to -2. -3 is exactly here, and plus into minus is minus. We have -3 as well as -2 is here, because I have written here directly. Then solve it. 1 by 2 is as usual, and -3 -2. What is the answer? -5. Is it correct? Because both are same side, and here the larger number is having -n. That's why you have to take -5. Then multiply, that is -5 into 1, that is -5 by 2. It is here. No one is there. That's why I have taken here denominator as 1. Multiply numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. What we will get? -5 by 2. And -5 by 2 is the rational numbers between? Yes, that is here. -3, between -3 and -2 we have -5 by 2 as a rational number. And two more we have to find between whatever it may be, -3 and -5 by 2. Okay, I will take -3 and -5 by 2. Okay, let's find out that one. Simply we have second, that is 1 by 2 is as usual. A is equal to -3 is equal to, we have -5 by 2. Why sir? Because plus into minus is minus. Because it is easy to find the LCM. 1 by 2 as usual, because 1 by 2 is as usual. Then take the LCM. It is 2 1s are 2 and cross multiply. 2 3s are 6. Which 6? -6. And 1 5s are 5. Which 5? -5. I think that is, we have to take the LCM of these two numbers. That is 2 1s are 2 and we have to cross multiply. That is 2 3s are 6 and minus is there, minus. And 1 5s are 5 and minus will be here. Okay, yes, Then move to the next step. We have 1 by 2 is as usual. And minus 6 minus 5. What is the answer? Minus 11 by 2. Is it? That is minus 6 minus 5. We have to add. That is, we will get minus 11 by 2. Then next step, what we have to do? Multiply both these numerator to numerator as well as denominator to denominator. Minus 11 into 1, minus 11, and 2 to the 4. Okay? Then minus 11 by 4 is the rational numbers between 3 and minus 5 by 2. That is minus 3 and minus 5 by 2. That is minus 11 by 4. Okay? Yes. Take a screenshot. Then again we have to find one more rational number between whatever it may be. Yaudana number tagolri. Between 3 and 11 by 4 anna tagolri, or minus 11 by 4 or minus 5 by 2 anna tagolri. Sir, ನಾನು ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನು 5 by 2 and 2 ಬಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. You can. Okay? Same as it is. I will take between minus 5 by 2 as well as minus 2. Okay? Between minus 5 by 2 and minus 2, I will take one more rational number. That is, A is equal to, we have minus 5 by 2, and B we have, that is minus 2. I will take minus 2 by 1. That is approximately, alright, that is equal to minus 2 only. Then solve it. 1 by 2 is here. 1 by 2 in the lead 1 3. Then we have to find out LCM. Okay, we have to find out the LCM. Yes, 2 ones are 2. Then cross multiply. 1 5 is 5. Which 5? Minus 5. And 2 2s are 4. Which 4? Minus 4. Okay, cross multiply as well as denominator to denominator multiplication. Then what we have? It is 1 by 2. Minus 5 minus 4, we have minus 9. And 2 as usual here. And again I will solve. Minus 9 ones are minus 9. And 2 2s are 4. That is, see here, minus 9 ones are minus 1. And 2 2s are 4. We will get minus 9 by 4. And minus 9 by 4 is the rational number between minus 5 by 2 as well as minus 2. That is, minus 9 by 4 becomes here. And we have the 3 rational numbers between minus 2 as well as minus 2. Because in the question, he has asked that only find out 3 rational numbers. Okay, suppose 10 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಅನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, it's somewhat lengthy process, but you have to learn. Yes. So I will take one more example. It is different question is there, that is, write any 5 rational numbers between, write any 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 is there. Okay, that is not related to this one, but it is a exercise problem is there. Yes. Write any 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. We have to write any 5 rational numbers that should be greater than minus 2. Athaitri problem, that is, write any 5 rational numbers that should be greater than minus 2. We have to write the rational numbers, any 5 rational numbers, and that should be greater than minus 2. How we will write? Sir, minus 2 is not a rational numbers, isn't it? Minus 2 is not a rational number. Then we have to convert it into rational number. First step, what we have to do, we have to convert this into the rational number. How we will convert? Shall I write minus 2 as minus 10 by 5? Yeah, sir. No, see here. 5 ones are 5 twos. Minus is there, minus is there. Sir, now the better. I will write minus 4 by 2. Why, sir? Yes, simply, sir. It is 2 ones are 2 twos, and minus is here, minus is here. whether minus 2 is equal to this one. Sir, now idunu barre sir. Minus 100 by 50 by 2. 50 ones are 52s are. That is minus is here, minus will becomes here. Okay, just I am converting minus 2 to its rational number. Are you getting my point? Yes. Sir, so I will write minus 2 as numbers. That is minus 10 by 5. And this is equal to minus 2. That is 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. And minus will be minus. And we have to write any 5 rational numbers that should be greater than minus 2. We know that is minus 10 by 5 is the equal to minus 2. And we have to write greater than minus 10 by 5. Greater rational numbers which are greater than minus 10 by 5. So I will write it here. Minus 9 by 5. Minus 8 by 5. Minus 7 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. Minus 5 by 5. Only that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, that means greater than minus 2 even don't be confused. That is minus 1 will be greater than minus 1000. Isn't it? Comparing as compared to minus 1 and minus 1000, minus 1 will be greater. So here that is minus 9 is greater than minus 10, and minus 8 is greater than minus 9, and minus 7 is greater than minus 8, and minus 6 is greater than minus 7, and minus 5 is also greater than minus 6. That's why we have the 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2 are minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5. Yes. Okay? Whatever it is. Sir, minus 10 by 5 tagondilla, 4 by 2 tagondilla. Whatever it is. That should be greater than minus 2. Okay? Yes. So I will give you some homework for you. Not some, only one I will give you. That is, find any 3 rational numbers find any 3 rational numbers between find any 3 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. And this should be in a method second. First method na kalisi nanu photo kalasbadri. That should be in a second method. That is by taking a mean of or taking an average of these 2 numbers. Okay, this is the example for or a homework for you. If any doubts, please ask me in the comment box or personally WhatsApp number. By this I will conclude my today's session, and thank you for watching. Namaste to all my dear children.